If only my little shop could shine again.
Look at her old shop. You will never fit in with us.
Why am I always made fun of? I just want to be accepted.
If only I could show them my true talent. Fashion show, this is my chance.
You, enter the fashion show. You can't even afford a dress.
I may not buy, but I can create. This is my masterpiece. We are the queens of tomorrow.
Did you steal money to buy this?
Now let's see her shine.
Why does this always happen to me? Don't give up. Show them who you are.
I will fix your dress.
Now go. This is your moment.
Wow, she looks like a queen.
How is this possible?
The winner is Luna, the Tailor Cat.
Beauty is not bought. It is created with heart.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.